Hey, what's going on, guys? BoostedWhipz here. I'm gonna be taking the car here to Asian Motors. I'm having a squeak issue, or like a clunk sound on the front suspension. I had gotten the right hand side fixed. Now I'm here for the left side. So what we're gonna end up doing is do the same fix all across on the last remaining 3 wheels. Asian Motors is specialized in and certified in Honda, so they fixed me that side. And the other 3 basically is just doing some adjustments on the springs and adding some lubrication, specially made for modded cars by Honda. So I wanted to take a nice video here, guys, and basically just show you where these guys are. They do great work. Again, it's Asian Motors, and it's in the Davie area. So we're gonna go ahead and put the car in, and I'll keep you guys posted, and I'll drop the link and basically of all their information. Once again, guys, Asian Motors, specialized and certified on Honda modded cars. So let's get this baby going and let's get her fixed up. Alright, guys, so the car is getting worked on. They got really nice here. This one here is a Type R fully built motor, and they got some really nice things going on. We got another SI up there. I mean, these guys are all specialized mainly on the 10th gen and basically any Honda, but 10th gen is their specialty. So you guys really got to come out here if you're in the Miami area. They're located in Davie. It's not that far off. I live in Homestead, and it's worth the drive. 30-40 minute drive, and it's pretty cool. So it's getting worked on, and what they're gonna end up doing is adjusting the front spring and adding that lubrication that I told you guys. It's specialized for Honda, and that got rid of the noise on the right hand side. Now we're gonna do the left, and we're just gonna go ahead and take advantage and just take care of the rear as well. It's not doing much noise, and again, it's not the springs, guys. It's just that there's so much gap in between the struts, so you need some extra adjustments on it. So we're gonna go ahead and finalize and keep going. Alright, guys, so everything is fixed. Everything looks really good. We went ahead and test drove the car, and everything sounds phenomenal. Everything got fixed. So basically just a little bit of lubrication and a little bit of adjustment on the springs does the trick. I recommend you guys to go ahead and if you go and install these springs, go ahead with somebody that's certified with Honda. Like Asian Motors, they are specialized and you know, modded cars, and especially Honda. So definitely, guys, if you're out in the area, go ahead and hit them up. I want to go ahead and wrap this up. I want to give a shout out to Asian Motors, and they do a very phenomenal work, guys. If you go ahead and go over there, mention my name, BoostedWhipz, or Frank, you know, you guys already know my name. So you know, tell them I recommended you guys, and they'll give you the best rates. So wrapping this up, thanks for watching, guys. Once again, there's no issues with the springs. It's just that you need some adjustment and that special lubrication from Honda, which avoids basically all these issues that you have, whether it's squeaking or clunking noise. So thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, BoostedWhipz, I'm out. Have a very blessed day.